Lambretta X300 2023, which is the latest design, but still maintains the Lambretta concept. The X300 logo sits in the same position as its siblings, the V200 series, and the V125, with the logo, Innocenti, in the center. Enhanced safety, with ABS braking system, which prevents the front wheels from slipping. 2023 Lambretta X300 engine and performance. The Lambretta engine, X300 2023, is a single-cylinder, 4-stroke, actual displacement, 275 cc, 4-valve, injection, liquid-cooled. Power is channeled through a CVT automatic transmission. A fuel tank with a capacity of 7.5 liters, supports gasohol 91 and 95.